Let's start with the exercise questions. First question is, there is a wave pulse passing on a string with speed of 40 centimeters per second in the negative x direction. It has maximum at x equal to 0 and at time t equal to 0. Where will this maximum be located at t equal to 5 seconds? So the first question, so what do we have? We have the velocity equal to 40 centimeter per second. Now after t seconds, where will be the maxima? So we know that the maxima at t equal to 0, the maxima is at x equal to 0. So it's quite simple. At t equal to 5, the position of the maxima will be x equal to velocity into time, because velocity is displacement upon time. So from this 40 centimeter per second into after 5 seconds, so 5. So the x value will be 200 centimeter. So after 5 seconds, the maxima will be at 200 centimeter along the negative x axis, because the wave is traveling in the negative x axis. In the second question, the equation of a wave traveling on a string is given. Now we need to find the dimensions of a, small a and capital T. We need to find the wave speed, direction of wave, etc. So second question, so what do we need to, what do we have? We have this y equal to a e to the power minus x by a plus t over t whole square. Now first part, what are the dimensions? So it's quite simple. The dimension of amplitude is similar to that of length, because amplitude is like length. So m0 l1 t0 for a, small a. Now small a will again have the same dimensions as that of length, m0 l t0. How? Because this thing e is dimensionless quantity, e is a constant. So x and a must have same dimensions so that they can cancel each other out. Now time, so again time, this is t's time, so its dimension will be m0 l0 t to the power 1. Now second part, wave speed. So wave speed is given by velocity equal to wavelength into frequency, or wavelength upon time period, because frequency is 1 by t. So wavelength is a and t is the time period. It is given, this is the wavelength. Okay. Now direction of wave propagation. So how to find the direction? So just focus on one thing. If the signs inside, if the sign of both the things are same, then it will be traveling in the negative direction. And if the signs of both these things are opposite, then the wave will be traveling in the positive direction. So here the signs of both the things are positive, so the wave is traveling in the negative x direction, negative x direction. Now the next part. So at t equal to t, where is the maxima located? So maxima of any pulse, first at t equal to capital T. So maxima of the pulse in the first situation, t equal to capital T. So in this situation can be found out by the formula v equal to velocity into time. So velocity is a by t and time is capital T. So at a, negative x axis, because the direction is in the negative direction. Then for t equal to 2t, again same thing, x equal to vt, x equal to a by t and 2t. So it will be 2a, negative x direction. So this is the solution. In the third question, we have this figure. It shows the wave pulse at t equal to 0. The pulse moves to the right with some speed 10 centimeter per second. So we need to sketch the shape of the string at t equal to 1 second, 2 second and 3 second. So this is the third one. In this we need to find at t equal to 1 second, t equal to 2 second, t equal to 3 second. S1 will be v into t, it will be 10 into 1, S2 will be v into t 10 into 2, S3 will be v into t 10 into 3, which will give us different locations 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So wave will be let's say this is y, this is x, 10, 20, 30, 40, 0. So at t equal to 1 second, it will be at 10 centimeters. Okay, it will be here. At t equal to 2 second, it will be here. At t equal to 3 second, the wave will be here. So this is how it will look. Now question number 4. There is a pulse traveling on a string and it is represented by the given equation. A is 5 mm, V is 20 centimeter per second. Now we need to sketch the shape of the string at t equal to 0, 1 and 2 second. Now this is the fourth one. So the equation is y equal to at a equal to, we have been given this thing. So now for t equal to 0, y equal to a cube over x square plus a square, t equal to 1, y equal to a cube over x minus v whole square plus a square. For t equal to 2 second, y equal to a cube over x minus 2v whole square plus a square. Now you need to plot this 3 equations. Question 5. There is a displacement of the particle at x equal to 0 of stretched string carrying a wave in positive x direction, which is given by ft equal to a sin t by t. Wave speed is v. We need to find the wave equation. So the fifth one. So at x equal to 0, f of t will be, or I can write f of 0. Let's say f of t equal to a sin t over t. Now let's say v is the wave speed, lambda is the wavelength. So we know that wavelength is equal to velocity into time. T is the time period. So y will be equal to a sin t over t minus x over vt. Question number 6, we have a wave pulse traveling on a string with speed v towards positive x-axis. Shape of the string at t equal to 0 is given by gx equal to a sin x by a. Now what are the dimensions of a and equation of wave for general time t? So the sixth one is this. Here we have t equal to 0. At t equal to 0, g of x is equal to a sin x over a. Now a part, the dimensions for a will be again as discussed earlier, m0 l1 t0, same as that of length, and a also, which is the wavelength, same m0 l t0, same as that of a length. Wave speed, let's say it is v, so time period will be lambda over v, that is a over v, and by this the general equation of wave will be a sin x over a minus t over a over v. So it will give us y equal to a sin x minus vt over a. In question number 7, we have a wave propagating on a string in positive x direction with velocity v. Shape of the string is given. Now we need to write the wave equation for general time t. So the seventh one, at t equal to t naught, it is given that equation is like this. Now if the wave is traveling in positive x direction, then y will be function of x over a minus t over t. Remember, opposite signs, so positive direction. Now put t equal to minus t naught. So by comparing it with this equation, x over a plus t naught over t, a sin x over a plus t naught over t minus t over t. Now we know that time period is wavelength upon velocity. Y will be a sin x over a plus t naught over a by v minus t over a by v. A sin x plus v t naught minus t over a. So y will be a sin x minus v t minus t naught over a. Again we have been given a equation. In which direction does the wave travel? Find the wave speed, wavelength, frequency, maximum displacement, etc. Eighth one. So let's first write the given equation. This is the given equation. The standard equation looks something like this. Let's say this is capital amplitude. So first direction is negative x direction. Again same sign because of that negative direction. Then k is equal to 31.4 per meter. 2 lambda over lambda equal to 31.4, lambda equal to 2 pi over 3.14 equal to 0.2 meter equal to 20 centimeter. Then apart from that, so omega is 314 per second. Just compare it. So we know that omega is 2 pi frequency. So f will be 314 divided by 2 pi. It will give us 50 per second. Wave speed is wavelength into frequency, which will be equal to 20 into 50, which will be 1000 centimeter per second. Now maximum displacement is the amplitude, obviously, so amplitude is 0.1 mm, and maximum velocity is given by a omega, where a is the amplitude. So 0.1 into omega is 10 to the power, and this is in mm, so let's convert it in centimeter, and then omega is 314, so Vmax will be 3.14 centimeter per second. In the ninth question, we have a wave traveling along positive x direction with some speed. Amplitude is given. Now we need to write a wave equation, displacement and velocity at x equal to 2 centimeter, at t equal to 0 second, etc. So this is ninth one. What do we have? First of all, wave speed is 20 meter per second, amplitude is 0.20 centimeter, and wavelength is 2 centimeter. Now first of all, equation of wave along x axis, so it will be y equal to a sine kx minus omega t, opposite sign because positive x direction. K is 2 pi by lambda, which is 2 pi by 2, so pi per centimeter. T is lambda over v, 2 by 2000, which is 10 to the power minus 3 second. So ultimately what we will have this wave equation. Second part, at x equal to 2 centimeter, t equal to 0, y will be 0.2 centimeter sine pi by 2, just put the values, okay. It will be equal to 0 because sine 90 is, sorry, this is 2 pi, so it will be 0 because sine 2 pi is 0. Now v will be r omega cos pi x, just differentiate this. 0.2 2000 pi cos 2 pi, so it will be 400 pi. So v will be 400 into 3.14, so v will come out to be 1256 centimeter per second, or in terms of pi you can write 400 pi centimeter per second or 4 pi meter per second. In the 10th question, another equation is given. We need to find time period, wavelength, equation of velocity when time is 0.01 second, x is 1 centimeter, speed at various locations. 10th one, so y is 1 mm sine pi x over 2 centimeter minus t over 0.01 second. Time period is this much. Then wavelength is velocity into time, 4 centimeter. V also dy by dt, So differentiating the equation, you will find that equation will be minus 50 cos 2 pi x over 4 minus t over 0.02. So when x equal to 1, time is 0.01 second, v will be equal to minus 50 cos 2 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, it will come out to be 0. So velocity will be 0. Then at x equal to 3 centimeter, t equal to 0.01 second, v will be minus 50 cos 2 pi 3 over 4 minus 1 by 2, which will give us 0. At x equal to 5 centimeter, t equal to 0.01 second, same thing will happen, velocity will be 0. And x equal to 7 centimeter, t equal to 0.01 second, same thing will happen, velocity will be 0. X equal to 1 centimeter, t equal to 0.011 second, v will be minus 50 cos 2 pi 1 by 4 minus 0.011 over 0.02, which will give us minus 50 cos 3 pi by 5. So this value will come out to be minus 9.7 centimeter per second. So this will be the velocity. Now we have a particle stretched on a string supporting a travelling wave. It takes 5 milliseconds to move from its mean position to extreme position. We need to find the distance between two consecutive particles which are at their mean position. We need to also find frequency, wavelength and wave speed. So 11th one, what is given? T equal to 4 into 5 millisecond, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 second. Wavelength is 2 into 2 centimeter, that is 4 centimeter. Frequency is 1 by t, that is 1 over 2 into 10 to the minus 2. 50 hertz, 50 per second. Wave speed, velocity 4 into 50, 2000 meter per second, centimeter per second, or 2 meter per second. This should be 200. Next, in question 12, this plot is given at t equal to 0. Now wave speed is 20 centimeter per second. We need to find amplitude, wavelength, wave number, frequency. So this is 12th one. So what do we have? V equal to 200 meter per second. Now it can be easily observed, amplitude will be 1 mm, wavelength will be 4 centimeter from the graph itself. Wave number will be 2 pi by lambda, which is 2 into 3.14 upon 4, which will give us 1.57 per centimeter. Frequency is 1 over t, which is 26 by lambda over 20, which will give us 20 by 4, which will give us 5 hertz. This is 1 over 4 by 20 because t is equal to lambda over v. In 13th question, wave is travelling on string with speed 10 meter per second, cause each particle of string to oscillate with some time period to 20 millisecond. We need to find wavelength, displacement, etc. Thirteenth one. Wave speed is 10 meter per second, time period is 20 millisecond, 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 second. Wavelength equal to velocity into time, 10 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, 0.2 meter or 20 centimeter. Wavelength is given now, wavelength is known now, 20 centimeter. Now phase difference. Okay, phase difference has formula 2 pi by lambda into x, or path difference, 2 pi by lambda into path difference. So it will be 2 pi by 20 into 10, which will give us pi radian. So now the equation will be a sine omega t minus kx, that is 1.5 equal to a sine omega t minus kx. Now the displacement at x equal to 10 centimeter. So phi will be 2 pi x by lambda, that is 2 pi into 10 by 20 equal to pi. Now similarly for y2, a sine omega t minus kx plus pi, which will give us minus a sine omega t minus kx, because sine pi is minus sine. Okay, now it will be minus 1.5 mm. So y2 equal to minus 1.5 mm. This is the displacement. Steel wire of length 64 cm weighs 5 gram. If it is stretched by force of 8 Newton, what would be the speed of transverse wave? So this is 14th. Mass 5 gram. Length 64 cm. Mass per unit length 5 over 64 gram per centimeter. So, and tension is 8 Newton, or 8 into 10 to the power 5 dyne. We know velocity is t by mass over mass per unit length. It is sometimes represented by mu also. So it will give us root 8 into 10 to the power 5 into 64 over 5. So after simplification, V will be 32 meter per second. 3200 centimeter per second, or 32 meter per second.